നമസ്കാരം, F&S ഫാർമ വേൾഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. വെൽക്കം ടു F&S ഫാർമ വേൾഡ്. ആദ്യം തന്നെ വീഡിയോസ് ഇത്രയും ഡിലേ ആയതിന് ഒരു മാപ്പ് എല്ലാവരോടും ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ SBI അതുപോലെ VSS എക്സാമിനേഷൻ പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻസ് ആണ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. പാർട്ട് 1 കോമ്പറ്റേറ്റീവ് എക്സാമിനേഷൻ പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ്റെ MCQs നമ്മൾ 20 എണ്ണം കണ്ടു. പാർട്ട് 2 നെക്സ്റ്റ് 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്ത എല്ലാവരും ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ അമർത്തിയിട്ട് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. ഒരുപാട് സജഷൻസ് വന്നായിരുന്നു, ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ലാംഗ്വേജസിലുള്ളവർക്കും കൂടി ഹെൽപ്പിംഗ് ആവുമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ വീഡിയോ തൊട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് നമ്മൾ MCQ ഡിസ്കഷൻ നടത്തുന്നത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ സജഷൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രേഖപ്പെടുത്താം, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. ഉപകാരപ്രദമായി തോന്നിയാൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾക്കായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. സ്റ്റാർട്ട് വിത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 121. Which one of the following drugs causes bronchodilation without significant cardiac stimulation? In the following options, which drug causes bronchodilation without significant cardiac stimulation? The options are A. Isoprenaline, B. Terbutaline, C. Xylometazoline, D. Methoxamine. What is the correct answer for this question? The correct answer is option B. Terbutaline. Terbutaline is the drug that causes bronchodilation without significant cardiac stimulation. Question number 122. Indicate the sympathomimetic agent which is combined with a local anesthetic to prolong the duration of infiltration nerve block. So a sympathomimetic agent, it was combined with local anesthetic. For what purpose? In order to prolong the duration of infiltration nerve block. And in the following option, which is the drug, which is the sympathomimetic agent? Option A. Epinephrine, B. Xylometazoline, C. Isoproterenol, D. Dobutamine. The correct answer for this question is option A. Epinephrine. Question number 123. Indicate the agent of choice in the emergency therapy of anaphylactic shock. In the following options, which drug or which agent is used for emergency therapy in anaphylactic shock? Option A. Methoxamine, B. Terbutaline, C. Norepinephrine, D. Epinephrine. We know adrenaline is used as the emergency therapy for anaphylactic shock. So option D is the correct answer. Epinephrine. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 124. Indicate the adrenoreceptor antagonist drug which is a revolver alkaloid. So in the option, the drug should be antagonist adrenogenic or adrenoreceptor antagonist drug, and also it should be a revolver alkaloid. Option A. Prazosin, B. Propranolol, C. Reserpine, D. Phentolamine. We know reserpine is the revolver alkaloid. It's obtained from the root of Revolver serpentina. So option C is the correct answer, reserpine. Question number 125. Hypnotic drugs are used to treat. For which purpose hypnotic drugs are used to treat? The following options are option A. Psychosis, B. Sleep disorders, C. Narcolepsy, D. Parkinsonian disorders. We know that insomnia, in case of insomnia or sleeping disorders, hypnotic drugs are preferred. So option B is the correct answer. Number 126. Which of the following hypnotics is preferred in patients with limited hepatic function? In the following option, which hypnotic drug is preferred in patients with limited hepatic function? Option A. Zolpidem, B. Amobarbital, C. Flurazepam, D. Phenobarbital. Zolpidem is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Number 127. Which of the following barbiturates is an ultra short acting drug? In the following option, which barbiturate is ultra short acting? Option A. Secobarbital, B. Amobarbital, C. Thiopendal, D. Phenobarbital. Option C. Thiopendal is the correct answer. Next question number 128. The most effective drug for stopping generalized tonic-clonic status epilepticus in adults is? The effective drug for stopping generalized tonic-clonic seizure in status epilepticus in adults is option A. Lamotrigine, B. Ethosuximide, C. Diazepam, D. Zonisamide. The correct answer for question number 128 is lamotrigine. Lamotrigine as well as levetiracetam. Both drugs are effective for stopping generalized tonic-clonic seizures in status epilepticus in adults. Next question number 129. The most dangerous effect of anti-seizure drugs after large overdoses. In the following option, which is the dangerous effect after the administration of anti-seizure drug in large dose? Option A, respiratory depression. B, gastrointestinal irritation. C, alopecia. D, sedation. What's the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer, respiratory depression. It is the most dangerous effect of anti-seizure drugs after large overdose of it. Question number 130. Which of the following neurotransmitters is involved in Parkinson's disease? Which neurotransmitter is involved in Parkinson's disease? We know that the Parkinson's disease is due to the deficiency of a particular neurotransmitter, that is dopamine deficiency leads to Parkinson's disease. So the correct answer for this question is option C, we know. The options are option A, acetylcholine, B, glutamate, C, dopamine, and D, all of the above. We know that the deficiency of dopamine causes Parkinson's disease, so option C is the correct answer. Question number 131. Indicate the drug that induces Parkinson's syndromes. In the following option, which drug causes Parkinson's syndromes when used it? Option A, chlorpromazine, B, diazepam, C, triazolam, D, carbamazepine. We know that typical antipsychotics, the main side effect is they cause Parkinson-like syndromes. So in the option which is the typical antipsychotic, chlorpromazine is the typical antipsychotic. So option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 132. Which of the following agent is an inhibitor of aldehyde dehydrogenase? In the following option, which is the inhibitor of aldehyde dehydrogenase? Option A, formipizole, B, ethanol, C, disulfiram, D, naltrexone. What is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. Disulfiram is an aldehyde dehydrogenase inhibitor. Next question, question number 133. The drug which decreases craving for alcohol or high pleasurable effect that comes with renewed drinking is? Option A, disulfiram, B, amphetamine, C, naltrexone, D, diazepam. What is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer here. Naltrexone, which is an opioid antagonist, it is thought to decrease the craving and it helps to prevent the relapse to heavy drinking by decreasing the rewarding effects of alcohol consumption. So correct answer is option C. Question number 134. The combination of disulfiram and ethanol leads to accumulation of disulfiram along with ethanol. It leads to the accumulation of which of the following given below? Option A, formaldehyde, B, acetate, C, formic acid, D, acetaldehyde. The correct answer is option D, acetaldehyde. The combination of disulfiram and ethanol leads to accumulation of acetaldehyde. Question number 135. Which of the following agents may be used as an antidote for ethylene glycol and methanol poisoning? So in the given option, which drug is used as an antidote for ethylene glycol and methanol poisoning? Option A, apomorphine, B, formipizole, C, salicylic, D, amphetamine. Which drug is used? Correct answer is formipizole. Option B, formipizole is the correct answer. Number 136. Narcotic analgesic should option A, relieve severe pain, B, induce loss of sensation, C, reduce anxiety and exert a calming effect, D, induce a stupor or somnolent state. The correct answer is relieve severe pain. In order to relieve the severe pain, we are using narcotic analgesic. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 137. Which of the following opioid analgesic is used in obstetric labor? Option A, fentanyl, B, pentazocine, C, meperidine, D, buprenorphine. Correct answer is option C, meperidine. It is an opioid analgesic that is used in obstetric labor. Question number 138. Which of the following opioid analgesic is used in the treatment of acute pulmonary edema? In order to treat acute pulmonary edema, from the option which drug is used or which opioid analgesic is used? Option A, morphine, B, codeine, C, naloxone, D, loperamide. Option A, morphine is the correct answer. Number 139. Which of the following non-narcotic agent is salicylic acid derivative? Option A, phenylbutazone, B, ketamine, C, aspirin, D, tramadol. In the option which is salicylic acid derivative, we know aspirin is the salicylic acid derivative, acetyl salicylic acid. So option C is the correct answer. Next question 140. Indicate the non-narcotic analgesic which lacks an anti-inflammatory effect. Among the option, one of the non-narcotic analgesic does not has anti-inflammatory effect, and that which one is that non-narcotic analgesic? Option A, naloxone, B, paracetamol, C, metamizole, D, ecosprin. Paracetamol B is the correct answer. It is a non-narcotic analgesic which lacks anti-inflammatory effect. Option B is the correct answer. So dear friends, please do subscribe the channel for more competitive examination MCQ videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support.